Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Central Lake County until 11:30 p.m. At 10:53 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Lake Moore, or near Kistake Highlands, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. This tornadic storm will be near Venetian Village in Lakeville around 11:05 p.m. Third Lake, Grays Lake, Glenwood Park and Lindenhurst around 11:10 p.m. Gages Lake and Libertyville around 11:15 p.m. Park City, Kearney, Green Oaks and Wadsworth around 11:20 p.m. Waukee, Gunn, North Chicago and Beach Park around 11:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Round Lake Beach, Haynesville, Round Lake Park, Old Mill Creek and Lake Bluff. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.